So she said she knew how to do the extensions, but she didn't know how.
No, she said she been doing this like the owner did it. She said she been doing this like 15 years.
So your natural hair here is about, you say about 4 inches long, and then she added these at the bottom and then dyed it. She dyed it from the light color.
Yeah,
is that what you're saying? Okay.
Yeah, she dyed it twice.
With it may very well be human hair, and I can burn it to test it just a tiny bit. But the problem is the quality. I take that.
I wanted.
Okay.
And I showed her that. It got that hair. I'm like, got that hair. I'm like, this is my first time getting it, but you can actually like see the knots and stuff. I'm very dissatisfied. So that's why I was like, I wanted you to look at it. And can we just start fresh? Because I don't want.
When these are wrapped in, kinda, and I use a crochet hook and I would blend it in, and the hair quality would have been a little better for you. See, it's just some companies make the afro hair, and the way they kink it up, it seems like a cheaper process than some of the other hair. And some hair is joined together. When they make this hair, they make it so that it's gray hair in here and everything. It's multiple ethnic. What I'm saying is, what some hair, it says very well that it's human.
Okay.
But the process of dyeing, because some of it is gray, is so harsh and rough and permanent that a person can't make locks and go behind and dye the hair again. So there's human hair that's created afro, and then there's human hair created afro that's dyeable, because they use a different chemical process to allow you to accept the colors.
Yeah.
Otherwise, there's cheaper human hair that they dyed to death because it had gray in it or something, or a different ethnicity or something like that.
Oh, this came like this.
Yes.
She didn't have a bag or nothing.
So what I'm saying is, she bought the hair, and it could very well be human hair, but it's like a cheap, I can tell by the way the hair is like a cheap gray. Like they didn't do very well in matting it up to make it look like afro. This one looks a little better. This one, I don't like it. It kind of looks like baby doll. But it all depends on where we get our hair from, and I had to learn that from doing extensions over the years. They'll say, oh, it's 100% human, and be correct. But you can't dye it. And then you have to go and look for something if it's completely dyeable. They have to say it on the package. So a lot of the locticians don't pay attention, and they just order it because it says 100% human. I've gone through this a couple of times with clients where they tried to dye their hair when they specifically wanted it dyed, come back and they can't dye it. So now we got to cut it out, add some more hair that's actually dyed. I would have just crocheted the hair right in and gave you a little retwist at the end, and made sure you walked away with, you know, your hair neat. So.
I mean, my hair is thin, you know what I mean? But yeah, I thought I was very wasn't satisfied, because when they first dyed it, the color of your couch, just the cover, that's what color came out. And I said, I'm not leaving like this.
You said it got a platinum blonde going.
She dyed it again, and then it was darker, but as the days go on,
it gets lighter because it wasn't taken. This kind of hair definitely looks like it wasn't taken. So it's sometimes we just, you know, it's just.
But this lady said she's been doing this 20 years. She's the owner of the shop. She's been doing it 20 years.
And this is the problem. Somebody who got snooty with me the other day because my shop is in a house. And I'm like, lady, if you look at the website, you'll see that it's set up as a real business. But a lot of people in the shops are messing people. And they say they know what they're doing, and they got the salon suite, and they're professional. A lot of people are doing things for many years, and they're not doing it properly.